Hi, I'm Mike Stockwell. I'm a manufacturing engineer with DTG, and today I'm going to show you how to unpack your Cooler PowerStation from DTG. First thing you're going to do is you're going to unlock your lock. A password will be provided to you. Undo the latch. There's these 4 latches on the side that you'll undo. Lower the ramp down like so. You're going to want to make sure there's about 12 to 15 feet behind you of free space. Take this board out. You're going to want a power drill with a Phillips head. There's 2 sets of screws on each side. There's 2 boards that secure the cart. You're going to undo those screws. Turn the cart on. There's a power button here on this control panel. Give it a press. Pull the joystick backwards. It's all controlled by the joystick here. To move forward, simply press it forward. To turn, move it left and right. And you're off. The drive system may power down after 1 minute, which is fine. To turn it back on, press the power button. Give it a few seconds. You'll see once the lights have turned on, you'll know that the drive system is powered on. There's 5 speed settings indicated by these 5 LEDs here. To lower the speed, press the button on the left. To raise the speed, press the button on the right. And then this button here is a horn. And these LEDs here at the top indicate the battery level, which is also shown here. The charging cord and the cover to the battery compartment will be included. If you ordered the monitor pole and digital display, they'll be on top of the PowerStation like so. And all you're going to do is take them off for now, put them to the side. So in the same bag that your AC power cord will be in, you'll also have your tools and hardware that you'll need to assemble the monitor pole. So to mount the TV to the monitor pole, the pole uses a VISA adapter plate. The kit comes with 4 thumb screws. So you're simply going to install those into the threads within the TV. And you want to go about hand tight. Make sure they're nice and snug. Once the TV is installed on the monitor pole, you need to feed your AC power cord down through the pole. So I'll show you how to do that now. So once you feed the cable through, you can continue with installing the monitor pole. You're going to plug the male end into the female end, like so. Then you can pull some of your slack from up top. Grab an Allen wrench that came with the kit. And you'll tighten these 2 screws. Angle the monitor the way you'd like it to face. To raise the pole, you're going to loosen this collar with 2 hands. Once you've reached your desired height, you're going to lock it down like so. Just like when you're moving into your home, you want to make sure that you can get through all the doorways you need to go through. So you can always lower the monitor again if you have to get through a doorway. In this cabinet here, you'll find a power strip that you can plug all of your point of sale equipment into. When you open up the cooler for the first time, you'll find a manual at the bottom with 2 sets of keys inside. 1 pair of keys is to lock up the cooler to protect your beverages, and the other pair of keys is for locking the battery compartment. Now we're ready to move the unit to the location that the PowerStation will be stored in overnight. Once you've moved the PowerStation to its final destination, for additional safety, you can lock the 2 swivel casters like so. With your AC power cord, you'll plug one end into right here, and then you'll plug your male end into the wall. So if you have beverages in the cooler that you want to keep cool overnight, you do not want to turn this switch off. Instead, you'll leave it on while you're charging. If it is empty and you want the cart to charge faster, you can shut the cooler off. It'll take 4 to 5 hours to fully charge the battery.